Friends, this is Kaushal Kishore. Welcome to SpeakNowEnglish.com. This is one of the unique and practical method to become a speaker of English. This would provide you one of the best opportunity to become a speaker of English. Now, being as a trainer, I have been developed this program, which is on the base of workshop. For the last 20 years, I have been taught for the spoken English trainee to become a native speaker of English. And this is really one of the helpful, unique, creative, and practical learning method to become a native speaker of English.
Future tense, Bhavishya Kal, could have, chart of person and number, person, singular number, plural number, first person, second person, third person. I could have go to market. We could have go to market. You, your, could have go to market. You, your, could have go to market. He, male, she, female, it, little, this, near, that, far, name, naam, could have go to market. Those, वे लोग, those, वो लोग, these, ये लोग, could have go to market. Structure of sentence. Sub plus could plus have plus V3 plus object. Sub plus could plus not plus have plus V3 plus object. Could plus sub plus have plus V3 plus object. Could plus sub plus not plus have plus V3 plus object. WH word plus could plus sub plus have plus V3 plus object. WH word plus could plus sub plus not plus have plus V3 plus object. English, Hinglish. I could have gone to market. मैं बाजार जा सका था. I could not have gone to market. मैं बाजार नहीं जा सकता था. Could I have gone to market? क्या मैं बाजार जा सकता था? Could I not have gone to market? क्या मैं बाजार नहीं जा सकता था? How could I have gone to market? मैं कैसे बाजार जा सकता था? How could I not have gone to market? मैं कैसे बाजार नहीं जा सकता था? We could have gone to market. हम बाजार जा सकते थे. We could not have gone to market. हम बाजार नहीं जा सकते थे. Could we have gone to market? क्या हम बाजार जा सकते थे? Could we not have gone to market? क्या हम बाजार नहीं जा सकते थे? How could we have gone to market? हम कैसे बाजार जा सकते थे? How could we not have gone to market? हम कैसे बाजार नहीं जा सकते थे? You could have gone to market. तुम बाजार जा सकते थे. You could not have gone to market. तुम बाजार नहीं जा सकते थे. Could you have gone to market? क्या तुम बाजार जा सकते थे? Could you not have gone to market? क्या तुम बाजार नहीं जा सकते थे? How could you have not gone to market? तुम कैसे बाजार जा सकते थे? How could you not have gone to market? तुम कैसे बाजार नहीं जा सकते थे? He could have gone to market. वह बाजार जा सकता था. He could not have gone to market. वह बाजार नहीं जा सकता था. Could he have gone to market? क्या वह बाजार जा सकता था? Could he not have gone to market? क्या वह बाजार नहीं जा सकता था? How could he have not gone to market? वह कैसे बाजार जा सकता था? How could he not have gone to market? वह कैसे बाजार नहीं जा सकता था? She could have gone to market. वह बाजार जा सकती थी. She could not have gone to market. वह बाजार नहीं जा सकती थी. Could she have gone to market? क्या वह बाजार जा सकती थी? Could she not have gone to market? क्या वह बाजार नहीं जा सकती थी? How could she have gone to market? वह कैसे बाजार जा सकती थी? How could she not have gone to market? वह कैसे बाजार नहीं जा सकती थी? It could have gone to market. ये बाजार जा सकता था. It could not have gone to market. ये बाजार नहीं जा सकता था. Could it have gone to market? क्या वह बाजार जा सकता था? Could it not have gone to market? क्या यह बाजार नहीं जा सकता था? How could it have gone to market? ये कैसे बाजार जा सकता था? How could it not have gone to market? ये कैसे बाजार नहीं जा सकता था? This could have gone to market. ये बाजार जा सकता था. This could not have gone to market. ये बाजार नहीं जा सकता था. Could this have gone to market? क्या ये बाजार जा सकता था? Could this not have gone to market? क्या ये बाजार नहीं जा सकता था? How could this have gone to market? ये कैसे बाजार जा सकता था? How could this not have gone to market? ये कैसे बाजार नहीं जा सकता था? That could have gone to market. वह बाजार जा सकता था. That could not have gone to market. वह बाजार नहीं जा सकता था. Could that have gone to market? क्या वह बाजार जा सकता था? Could that not have gone to market? क्या वह बाजार नहीं जा सकता था? How could that have gone to market? वह कैसे बाजार जा सकता था? How could that not have gone to market? वह कैसे बाजार नहीं जा सकता था? Ram could have gone to market. राम बाजार जा सकता था. Ram could not have gone to market. राम बाजार नहीं जा सकता था. Could Ram have gone to market? क्या राम बाजार जा सकता था? Could Ram not have gone to market? क्या राम बाजार नहीं जा सकता था? How could Ram have gone to market? राम कैसे बाजार जा सकता था? How could Ram not have gone to market? राम कैसे बाजार नहीं जा सकता था? They could have gone to market. वे बाजार जा सकते थे. They could not have gone to market. वे बाजार नहीं जा सकते थे. Could they have gone to market? क्या वे बाजार जा सकते थे? Could they not have gone to market? क्या वे बाजार नहीं जा सकते थे? How could they have gone to market? वे कैसे बाजार जा सकते थे? How could they not have gone to market? वे कैसे बाजार नहीं जा सकते थे? These could have gone to market. ये बाजार जा सकते थे. These could not have gone to market. ये बाजार नहीं जा सकते थे. Could these have gone to market? क्या ये बाजार जा सकते थे? Could these not have gone to market? क्या ये बाजार नहीं जा सकते थे? How could these have gone to market? ये कैसे बाजार जा सकते थे? How could these not have gone to market? ये कैसे बाजार नहीं जा सकते थे? Those could have gone to market. वो बाजार जा सकते थे. Those could not have gone to market. वो बाजार नहीं जा सकते थे. Could those have gone to market? क्या वो बाजार जा सकते थे? Could those not have gone to market? क्या वो बाजार नहीं जा सकते थे? How could those have gone to market? वो कैसे बाजार जा सकते थे? How could those not have gone to market? वो कैसे बाजार नहीं जा सकते थे? Mouth translation. Do practice of speaking loudly. Total 72 sentences. Do practice of speaking 10 times loudly. मैं अंग्रेज़ी सीख सकता था. I could learn English. हम लोग वहाँ रह सकते थे. We could have lived there. आप तेज़ दौड़ सकते थे. We could have run fast. आप मछली खा सकते थे. You could have eaten fish. आप लोग वहाँ क्रिकेट मैच देख सकते थे. You could have watched that cricket match. आप लोग कल उससे मिल सकते थे. You could have met him yesterday. रवि कड़ी मेहनत कर सकता था. Ravi could have worked hard. कृष्णा खाना बना सकता था. कृष्णा could have cooked food.